She walks up with a cooler packed full of ice cold beer, with a handle of lucky number 7 showing off her Daisy Duke rear. And drops that tailgate down out yonder where the black top ends. Fills up the Dixie cup of Black Label, hands it out to all your friends. Then boy, you better hold on, she's hotter than a bonfire blaze, and it'll be the best 8-second ride the rodeo has ever seen. 'Cause this party's just getting started, she's about to come undone. So like a wild Mustang out on the plains, baby, just let her run. 'Cause there's 2 things every cowboy needs to get him through the day: cowgirls and whiskey. There's 2 things every cowboy needs to get him through the day: cowgirls and whiskey. There's nothing a whole lot better than a barrel of Tennessee Brown, all bottled up with some country sexy for a night out on the town. I'm getting drunk on you, and I'm starting to feel the buzz. So how about you and I have a round in the bed of my pickup truck? 'Cause there's 2 things every cowboy needs to get him through the day: cowgirls and whiskey. There's 2 things every cowboy needs to get him through the day: cowgirls and whiskey. Yeah, there's only 2 things in life that make all this hard work worthwhile. Yeah! There's 2 things every cowboy needs to get him through the day: cowgirls and whiskey. There's 2 things. There's 2 things. There's 2 things: cowgirls and whiskey. Cowgirls and whiskey. Cowgirls and whiskey. There's nothing a whole lot better than a barrel of Tennessee Brown, all bottled up with some country sexy for a night